Something's going on here. I got something big here at the Iowa River, just below the dam. Here is the pole. I've been fighting this for a little bit here now, maybe a few minutes. There's the dam. That's how far I am. Let's see if I can show you what's coming up here. I'm hoping it's a nice walleye, but it is heavy. It's taking its time getting in. I cast about halfway across the river here, brought it in, and it hit immediately right down the middle of the channel. It's heavy. I hope it's not carp. I suppose it could be a catfish. All right, here we go. It just got off. That was a big old catfish.